Hi, this is Andre, and thanks for checking out Synthosophy. Synthosophy is integrating the wisdoms of history, based on fact and truth, into present culture. The roots being synthesis, history, and philosophy. Today we're going to talk about Chapter 6, and brain function. Your brain has 100 billion nerve cells, neurons. And these neurons have branching axons and dozens or even hundreds of dendrites around the nucleus, main part of the cell, that allow them to interact with each other by releasing various neurotransmitters in the synapses, where one neuron chemically communicates with another neuron. Neurons in the brain have an average of about 1,000 synapses, as we can see from the nuclear part of the cell, axon, branching, synapses, dendrites, branching, synapses, neurotransmitters. You can see there's about 1,000 interconnections, synapses, within one cell. These neurons in your brain get input from our five senses, from what you see, hear, taste, touch, and smell. Input from these five senses are sent via the neurons and synaptic connections to get neurologically processed in your brain. With the increase in axon and dendrite terminals from branching and the 1,000 synaptic connections per neuron, there are approximately 100 trillion synapses in your brain. These 100 billion neurons and 100 trillion synaptic connections then create your perception of reality, your consciousness. Another layer of processing below your consciousness are those 100 billion neurons processing all the selected information and input you've received over your lifetime. Your subconscious, to which your brain refers when you're thinking, analyzing, categorizing, drawing conclusions, making daily decisions, and choosing directions from everything you've experienced and thought about in your life. That processing generates your perception of reality, your neuroreality. So you can think of reality in three ways: reality as it really exists, reality as your brain and 100 billion neurons perceives it, and reality as everyone else perceives it. One could also say that in our country of 300 million people, there's reality as it really exists, actual reality, reality as you perceive it, your subjective reality, and 300 million minus one separate perceptions of reality. Your consciousness and perception of reality by the 100 billion neurons in your brain is your neuroreality. Our hope is that Synthosophy will bring our neurorealities closer to actual reality.